In today's world, data is everywhere, and understanding how to harness its power is more important than ever. What is big data? Big data refers to extremely large datasets that are complex and grow exponentially over time. These datasets come from diverse sources such as social media, sensors, transactions, and more. Characteristics of big data. Big data is characterized by the 5 V's: value, veracity, variety, volume, and velocity. Volume is about the massive amount of data. Velocity refers to the speed at which data is generated and processed. Variety indicates the different types of data, from text to images to videos. Veracity represents the uncertainty of data quality. And finally, value signifies the potential insights that can be derived from data. What is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of examining, cleaning, and transforming data to extract useful information, make conclusions, and support decision-making. It involves various techniques and tools to analyze data effectively. Types of data analytics. There are 4 main types of data analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Descriptive analytics answers, what happened? Diagnostic analytics answers, why did it happen? Predictive analytics forecasts, what might happen in the future? And prescriptive analytics provides recommendations on what should be done. Tools and technologies. Various tools and technologies are used for big data and data analytics. Hadoop and Spark are popular for handling large-scale data processing. Tableau and Power BI are great for data visualization. Python and R are widely used for data analysis and machine learning. Applications of big data and data analytics. Big data and data analytics have numerous applications across various industries. In healthcare, they help in predicting disease outbreaks and personalized medicine. In finance, they assist in fraud detection and risk management. Retail businesses use data to understand customer behavior and optimize inventory. Transportation industries benefit from data analytics for route optimization and predictive maintenance. Challenges and future of big data. Despite its potential, big data comes with challenges such as data privacy, security, and quality issues. However, with advancements in technology and increasing data literacy, the future of big data looks promising, with even more innovative applications and solutions on the horizon. Big data and data analytics are transforming the world around us, offering unprecedented insights and opportunities. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting tech explainers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.